Hi, Guy. Good morning to you. This morning I'm going to talk on something, a question like why is the young people in the West start to embrace Islam or convert to Islam? So what happened to Christianity? Well, the young people in the West is seeing that Christianity is getting weak. Why I say this? What happened to the society in the West? Is it Christianity failed to hold all the people? Why? You just look at the Bible. Do the priests believe the Bible? Most likely, no. The priest, the pastor of the Christian religion had not believed the Bible. What is the evidence in saying this? Just the story in the Bible of what happened to those who commit sin, like same marriage sex, for example, men and men having sex. The story is mentioned in the Bible where a place, a city where people practice this, men and men having sex, and there was calamity fell down to the city, punishment from God that turned the land in the city upside down, or maybe what else it can be, or a disaster struck on the city. The story is mentioned in the Bible. So why the priests or the people the leader of Christianity still allow gay marriage to happen in the church when the story in the Bible indicates that it's a sin? Men and men having sex is a sin. So that's an indication that the priest or the pastor had not believed in the Holy Bible. They call it holy. They should respect the holy book, but they had not. So they don't hold the religion of Christianity, the priest and the pastor. So what do you expect of these young people think about the priest and the pastor? So if the priest and the guys that don't believe in the Holy Bible. So what do you expect the young people in the West to believe? So they are looking for something else, alternative religion that they can hold on. So that's the reason why Islam is taking over. Not suddenly, but slowly, you see. I was in England how many years ago when I was young. I was in London mostly. And now I'm surprised to see I've not been to London, but I just heard story that London had changed. On the street where I was on the way to my university in London, the street had changed, and the places where I used to pass through, most cropped up. So a big change in the East London, where population growth there in the east of London, most being built on the street that I used to pass. So this is example on the west. So this is UK, but I believe I also heard story of other place in Europe. Most built like Germany and in Cambridge. I never thought at the time a big mosque built in Cambridge, and so Islam will take over Europe. That is not surprise. Maybe in year like Egypt, when Islam came to Egypt, when Islam conquered Egypt, so the Egyptians had not converted to Islam straight away, but after 200 years, then Egypt became a Muslim country. So maybe in Europe, in 200 years time, maybe some country there become, I'm not surprised, will become Muslim country. I don't know, maybe UK, or maybe France, maybe Germany in 200 years time, because I base it on what happened in Egypt after 200 years of Islam conquered Egypt, the country become a Muslim country. So even Islam do not spread suddenly, it's slowly, and over the years, I believe that Europe will become Islamic place. Maybe some people would deny it, but we'll see. History had happened before, like Egypt wasn't a Muslim country after 200 years. it became a Muslim country. So something like that could happen. History repeat itself. So that is my basis of saying that Europe will become a Muslim country in the, say, 200 years time. Thank you very much.